Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the next lecture of this tutorial. So let's start from where we stop. Okay. So we discussed till here. What is using system, public class program, public static void main, and the curly braces. So now we will discuss what is console.writeLine. So console.WriteLine, console is mean this is mean the interface. Okay, console interface, the output. Okay, and write line is you can say what you can write just only write till here console.write and as well as line. So what is the difference between console.write and console.WriteLine? So the most common method to output something in C sharp, in C hash, you can say, is write line, but you can also use write as well. Just only console.write in around brackets, and inside it you can write anything and print it on the screen. Now the difference is that write line prints the output on a new line each time, and while the write just only the write console.write in around brackets print on the same line, the output. So let's see the example how it's work. So when we write here hello world, then after that I am writing another line console dot write line again, and inside I'm writing um, mm, new line, new line. Okay, now when we run our program, so this line, the first line, this line will be print on the screen, and when this line ends, so the compiler will start the execution of second line. So this line will be print on the screen on the new line, on the second line. So let's check run our program and see the output. You can see hello world, and after that the compiler will go to the next line, and text in a new line will be print on the screen. So it means console.write line will be print anything on the screen in a new line and each time. Okay, now let's check the console.write. So console.write, only write, and then I'm writing here hello world. Okay, and then in a new line, it, sorry, in a new line I'm writing again. I'm just copy the same thing, the same line, and right here uh, the same line text. Okay, so now when I print when I run this program, so you will be see and in the output window console.write line, so it will print on the screen only this text. In after that the execution after the execution of this line, this text will be print on the screen just after this line at the same line. So let's check it. You can see hello world in the same line text. This text will be print just after this line. So let's create a little bit space between them. So I'm just creating a space between them, and then again run this program, so you will be see the difference. Hello world, hello world, the same line text. Okay, so this is the difference between console.writeLine and console.write. Clear? So uh, that is the difference between these two things. Okay, so if you have any questions, so you can drop in the comment section as well. Now let's move next in check and see the comment section. Okay, what is comments? comments in C sharp language. So comments can be used, you can say explain hash code, and to make it more readable, it can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. There are multiple, I mean, there are two types of comments: single line comments, that is start with the forward slashes, mean double forward slashes in. The other one is multiple lines slashes, multiple lines comments. So just let's see the example. Okay. So for example, I want to write here, just before this, um, console.writeLine explanation. Console in dot write line explanation. Okay, now explanation, and right here I'm writing console.writeLine explanation, console.write explanation. Okay, now right here I'm just writing it back, and after that I'm just creating a space, not here, in fact right here. Okay, now you can see mean this is for the user helpful, for the user understanding. Okay, this will be not include in our code, okay, in execution time. So compiler will didn't run this line in your code, and also this one, this is a comment, okay, only comment. This is just for your reading, just for your understanding. And in other cases you can also use just like this, right here, right here you can see the author, yeah, or you can write here as well, after here. Okay, author, author name is, for example, in this case my name is Aman Ullah, and again, uh, date. So date is now 25 January and 2021. Okay, and many more. Okay, so these are the comment section. Okay, this will be not include in your code. If I run this program, so it will print the same thing. Okay, the same output. So it mean that didn't affect the program. Now there is another type of comments, that is multi-line comments. So multi-line comments is just like, means starting from the forward slash and followed by asterisk, and then I'm just printing some enter sometime, and then asterisk and forward slash. Okay, now in between I'm writing anything, for example, the same thing, author Aman, then date 25 January 2021, and many more. Difference between write line and write. Okay, so this is multi-line comments. In between these two forward slash static in static forward slash, you can write anything. This will be not the part of your code. Okay, so let's run and check the output. Okay, you can see, I mean, the output is not affected by these extra lines in the comment section. So this is called comment section. Okay, multi-line comments, forward slash and followed by asterisk in, then asterisk in followed by forward slash. In the single line comments, you can just write double forward slashes in front of any line, and you can comment it. Okay, so this is a comment concept. Okay, So that's it for this lecture. Then we will move next. So see you soon. See you soon in the next lecture.